When you search for glitter paint for walls, everything looks the exact same. Same features, same flashy photos. But to understand what actually works and what just sparkles, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, FBGC Holographic Silver Glitter. First up is the FBGC Holographic Silver Glitter, priced at just $9.99. What caught my eye was its impressive rating of 4.7 stars with nearly 9,000 reviews. If you want to transform your walls into a sparkling masterpiece without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This glitter paint additive is incredibly easy to use. Just mix the 5.3-ounce powder into half a gallon of your favorite paint, stir for about 5 minutes, and you're ready to go. It's non-toxic and child-safe, which is a big plus if you have little ones around. Plus, it performs well on various paint types, from matte to silk, making it versatile for different looks. What really impressed me was the inclusion of 2 buffing pads. Once the paint dries, buffing the surface reveals even more sparkle, creating a dazzling effect that really captures the light. With over 200 units sold this past month, it's clear that people are loving this product. Now, some people complained about its glitter density, wishing for a more intense shimmer. Here's the thing though, while it might not satisfy those looking for a super glitzy effect, it still creates a beautiful finish that's perfect for a subtle sparkle. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable way to add some shimmer to your living room or kid's bedroom. Skip this one if you need a super shiny effect right out of the gate, but for its price, it's a solid option. Now, if the glitter density of FBGC bothered you, the next one might actually be even better for achieving that intense shimmer effect. Product number 2, Hemway Mother of Pearl Glitter. Next up is the Hemway Mother of Pearl Glitter Paint Additive, priced at $16.95. With a rating of 4.3 stars from over 15,500 reviews, it's known for adding a unique shimmering finish. If you want elegance and a touch of sophistication to your walls, this one's definitely worth considering. What's great about this glitter additive is that it captures and reflects light beautifully, which means your walls will look enchanting in different lighting conditions. You simply mix 100 grams of this flake-based glitter into a liter of paint. Once applied, it's UV, heat, and fade resistant, which is fantastic if you want your sparkle to last. Additionally, the versatility means you can use it with various paints and varnishes, making it a great option for furniture as well. Plus, it's designed for both novices and experts, which means anyone can achieve that high-end look effortlessly. However, some users noted that the mixing process can be a bit tedious. But honestly, the effort is totally worth it for that stunning sparkle it provides. This is perfect for you if you're looking to create a high-end look in your home without hiring a professional. Skip this one if you're after a quick and easy application without the mixing process. But for its unique appearance, it offers great value. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for achieving maximum sparkle. Product number 3, FBGC Levaka Holographic Glitter. Coming in at number 3 is another winner from FBGC, the Levaka Holographic Silver Glitter Paint Additive for $14.99. With the same impressive 4.7-star rating as the previous FBGC product, this one offers a larger 14.11-ounce package, which caught my attention. If you want more glitter for your buck, this is definitely worth a serious look. This product follows the same simple application method as the first, just mix it into 0.66 gallons of paint. It's non-toxic, child-safe, and temperature-resistant. The real kicker is the advanced glitter technology, which helps reflect light even better than traditional glitter. It also comes with 2 buffing pads to enhance that sparkle effect even more. The large quantity ensures you can cover bigger areas or go for a more intense shimmer, which is perfect for statement walls. Now, some users found that it can be tricky to achieve an even application, especially on textured surfaces. Here's the thing though, with a little patience and practice, you can absolutely nail it. The results are totally worth the extra effort. This is perfect for you if you're tackling a larger project and want a high-impact sparkle. Skip this one if you're short on time and need something that's easy to apply without much fuss. But for the sheer volume and quality, it's a fantastic option. Now, if you're looking for something even more unique, the next product might just surprise you. Product number 4, Hemway Silver Glitter. Next, we have the Hemway Silver Glitter Paint Additive, also priced at $16.95. It has a solid 4.3-star rating with over 15,000 reviews. If you're after a classic silver sparkle that won't disappoint, this one's worth a look. This glitter additive is easy to mix, requiring just 100 grams per liter of paint. It's UV, heat, and fade resistant, so it'll keep that sparkle for years to come. It's compatible with a wide range of paint types, making it versatile for any project you have in mind. If you want to achieve that high-end look without the high-end price, this product is perfect for you. However, some users did mention that the color may shift slightly depending on the lighting conditions. Honestly, that can be a bit tricky, especially if you're aiming for a specific look. But if you're okay with a little variability, the results are still beautiful. This is perfect for you if you're looking to add a classic sparkle to your home. Skip this one if you need a consistent color across different lighting. For the quality and price, it's a reliable choice. Now, if you want something that's going to give you even more coverage and sparkle, the last product might just fit the bill. Product number 5, V1 Artus Silver Holographic Glitter. Finally, we have the V1 Artus Silver Holographic Glitter Paint Additive, priced at $18.95. With a 4.5-star rating and 13,000 reviews, it's definitely a contender. If you want maximum coverage and sparkle, this one is worth checking out. This product includes 200 grams of glitter, which is enough to cover approximately 86 square feet. The application is straightforward, just mix 100 grams per quart of paint and you're set. The glitter is designed to sparkle brilliantly, thanks to its premium metallic properties which reflect light beautifully. Plus, it's waterproof and fade-resistant, making it ideal for both interior and exterior use. Some users found that achieving an even finish can take a bit of practice. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, the results are genuinely stunning and well worth the effort. This is perfect for you if you're looking to tackle big projects with a lot of visual impact. Skip this one if you're short on time or prefer something that's easier to apply. For the amount you get and the finish it provides, it's definitely a great value. So to wrap it all up, we've seen some fantastic options today for glitter paint additives. FBGC's holographic silver and Levaka options are great for affordability and volume, while Hemway's mother of pearl and silver options offer elegance and durability. Finally, V1 Artus brings a standout choice for those wanting maximum coverage. Ultimately, your choice depends on your specific needs, but any of these products will help you add a sparkle to your walls. Happy painting!